is number 4. And the instant replay presented to us by Santa Ana Parks. Action.
Patok.
Gates open, they're off and racing, one slow out, Marks Rose looking for the leader, there she goes, it's Hello Africa in the early part by Darrell. We have Reese Taker running in third, King's Crown in the middle, Fine Oper by Darrell. We have Top Quest, Mapungay comes next, then followed over by Page, in between horses, Galai's Charm getting the widest lead, Star Emblem, second last Marks Rose, while the early trailer is a big Little Missy with an opening break of 19.5. As they wheel down the back, the lead now belongs to Reese Taker. In the early part by 1 length and a half. Hello Africa is right behind in second, and in third Mapungay. 2 lengths back. In fourth comes Top Quest, Fine Oper. Racing on the inside is a Page to take fifth with 25 on a second quarter. Then followed over by Big Little Missy. Marks Rose alongside. We've got